Today we're going to take some time to go through this Goodwill that we found when we crossed the border over into Ohio. It is in Canton, Ohio. And I got kind of excited because do you see that? Holiday headquarters!
They weren't kidding. They had a lot of holiday stuff.
They did. This place had a lot of stuff on the shelves.
Turtle sand box.
Do you remember when I thrifted a turtle sandbox for
I
Riley?
did.
I got it for a super good deal because one of its eyes was missing, so I had to whip out my junk monkey paint and give it a whole new eyeball. But man, he played with that forever.
Sonia Miller, ophthalmologist.
Surgeon. Turtle surgeon.
Yes.
I'm telling you, you can find some good stuff out thrifting. Did you find any good books?
There were some good books, but nothing that I really wanted to take home.
No?
No. But there were good
That's
books
shocking
there.
for you. Yeah, usually you find something. Look at that, an empty cart.
I had one out, but it was just,
Just didn't float your boat.
Nope.
Didn't crank your engine.
Not at all.
Just didn't get you going. Oh, look at little Canton the pumpkin. I missed that back there. I looked at that little cute little pottery piece.
Well, I was looking at the haunted house one. The rabbit was up there. I'm surprised you didn't take that rabbit.
I'm telling you, my eyes were in all directions at this point. Oh, we did take this home, though.
Yeah,
look at this
cool
sweet piece. Yeah, Santa with his oversized Santa sack right there, which is a beautiful dish. And so that's going to go on my eBay store for sure. I actually found a couple great pieces for eBay.
Those are book coasters.
I like those. I said, we should get those.
Not at that price.
But the price, yeah. Wanted them.
There were some Thomas Kincaid light-up miniatures that I'm holding there. So, Thomas Kincaid is the painter of what?
Light.
That's right.
He is the master of light.
Don't ask us how we know that. 3 hours of getting pummeled about the master of light.
On a cruise ship. That we remember, yes.
So I got a free bottle of champagne. I don't think I drank it.
Yeah, you did trivia on that cruise, didn't you? Ever do that, guys, go on a cruise?
Sucked us in
where they have like a trivia / art sale. You go there and...
They sucked us in with trivia and then tried to sell us.
We did learn that Thomas Kincaid is the master of light. Painting light, exactly.
There you go.
Cute little boot.
Yeah. That was our Thomas Kincaid. That was our art dissertation for the night.
Memories.
So, those were kind of neat stemware there if you were into that.
I like that too.
That thing was heavy. That was made out of steel. I thought it was going to be like aluminum. Like that rated very high on the assault list.
Definitely.
You know me about
I recommend it, but okay.
Yeah.
I like this piece here. I said to you, I'm like, do you think we should get this? It looked like a wooden piece that was, done with toll. I loved it. Some of the paint was worn off on each side, but I still thought it was beautiful. I'm kind of mad that I left that there. When you go to a store and you see something that you're like, I should get that. Well, no, I'll just leave it there because I'm not sure just yet. And then you forget. Back. Yes. These videos are like the nightmares that haunt me.
Well, you can get them out then.
Most people forget about something like that. Then when I do a video, I'm like, I should have took that. Like this tree. Why didn't I take that tree?
I didn't see that tree. That was actually kind of a cool little tree.
Okay, now that really makes me mad that you're saying that now.
I knew. I'm just saying.
Ohio is what, 2.5 hours away? Tomorrow we'll be back there.
So we grabbed these guys.
Yes. Loved those right there. Yeah.
That was for a bigger candle.
We sold a Santa ring, so we took that one.
Who decorates their tree with glass clown ornaments?
It's kind of like a Pinocchio / clown.
It's like an old
It's to
hobo
scare
clown.
the people away that you don't want at your Christmas gathering.
It's like, oof.
That's the stuff of
That's me. I had to pry it from your hands because you were getting hung up on it.
Oh, look at those two awesome pieces. And we're about to round that corner. And do you see all the blue? This just screamed winter. That duck was cool, but I think it was
glass.
plastic.
No, he was glass.
He was glass?
Yeah.
You were the one that held him.
Yeah, and I was saying, you're like, it's plastic. And I said, no, it's glass.
You should have took him. I like that blue.
So, this vase up here, those are kind of cool.
Which one's the cupcakes?
Yeah, just a little bit much. This place was a little bit more expensive. It was a little more expensive than your usual Goodwill, but they had really good stuff. It was really clean. Like, check out that coffee pot.
Oh, look at me. This is me trying to break something. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, there's my jeans.
Oh.
Made with good thread.
Was this supposed to be in there?
No. And after intermission and a good laugh break.
Yeah. There's another candle ring.
Wait, I have to say, did you see that I made sure I put the picture of the pot? Yes. I didn't break anything. It was perfectly fine, so I had to redeem myself.
Well, I think it was one of those metal teapots, and it was $10.99, so it was a little bit on the pricey end.
Yeah.
So these silver things were kind of cool, but they didn't have a marking on it, so I didn't want anything to do with them. So I didn't want to take the chance if they were like cheap pewter from China.
Pier 1 or something
Yeah,
like that, you mean? Like
that would
just
have
say
lead
modern?
in it. Yeah, that would have lead in it.
They were
so.
cute.
They were cute, but like I said, no mark. That makes me nervous.
Right. If it was to keep for yourself is one thing, but we are thrifting for resale here, so yeah. I'm like, oh, this is cool right here. I like him.
Paper mache.
Yep. I'm seeing a lot of paper mache stuff around.
Yeah. There you go. It's
is
cheap.
it making it come back? Is everybody
I
donating
think it's cheap,
it? What's
and
going
it's
on?
like you can make stuff out of it.
I'm gonna have to give it a try.
Yeah, there you go. So what's up with that Santa?
Oh, he went by too quick. I didn't see him.
Oh, okay. So here was another candle ring. We left that one there. He was just a little bit cheesy.
He was a little more modern,
Yeah,
a
a
little
little
more
cheesy.
Yeah, I didn't have great details. I like that reindeer, but he
That
was
a
scuffed
moose.
up a bit.
He looked like a moose.
You think it was a moose?
I think it was a moose.
All right.
It probably was a reindeer, but
I really like these plates, and so I decided to grab these, even though they
that's
are
right, you did grab
newer.
those.
Yeah, they're newer, but I love the shabby, distressed age look about them. And I found another one that went with this set right over here as I'm handing it to Matt. I'm pretty sure this is there it is, Santa.
and
Yeah,
once again, $2.19. You're starting to notice a trend here if you're seeing the prices.
this was true.
Everything was marked $2.19.
Yeah. Oh, this mug.
That was $109.
Yeah, because
Somebody liked
it had
their
a chip
nines.
into it, I think is what it was.
Yeah,
No,
that
there was a
crack.
crack.
Yeah.
I would have taken this mug, like right now, but there was a crack into it.
People like their nines.
Yeah. These are some newer Santa mugs, but yeah, everything was, not everything, but a lot of stuff was priced $2.19. So
Yeah.
again, you just deal with pricers that have, hey, I've got a favorite number,
Yeah.
you know? I love these. I was like, let's grab these. And then as we turn them around, $3.99 a piece. I thought that was a little much. What do you guys think?
These we grabbed and eventually
Yeah.
took back. I just wasn't really. I mean, they're metal. They're pot metal. They were heavy. I just wasn't. I just wasn't in love with them.
No, and the feet, after I looked at them in the cart, they were like tarnished and green a bit. So
I was having commitment issues with these.
we talked about them for a while. I was looking at these down here and picking stuff up, trying to decide what was brass, what was not brass. I personally love brass. I think this one was brass. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, wasn't it marked?
High mark.
There's one that literally said brass on the bottom of it. Over the last year, brass and gold colors have really made a comeback as people decorate.
We're gonna party like it's 1985.
People are putting gold knobs on things with their furniture flipping. Yeah, it's definitely a trend.
Oh, that's there was Carnival Glass right there. Did you see
That one says, I think, brass.
yeah.
Yeah.
That was a nice piece.
Remember the time we got candlesticks and I thought they were brass and we tried to shine them up with Brasso
Yeah.
and it wouldn't work?
And it all just came off. And it was like this black pot metal underneath.
Yeah.
You're like, it's brass. I'm like, you sure? And you're like, yeah. So I took out the old Brasso from the Marine Corps that we used to use on our belts, and it wasn't brass.
There you go.
So
You found those stone salt and pepper shakers.
yeah, I thought those are pretty nice. They were like I forget. Oh, the giant potato.
Yes, I'm all about
I
the
like
potato.
I like the giant potato, but
Maybe we should have got that for us. I mean, I could see that on our table, full of mashed potato.
we're trying. Oop, I didn't mean to poke you in the face.
You're good.
We're trying to pare down. We're trying to be simpler with what we put in the house.
Fun stuff, though.
Yes.
That reflects her personality.
Well, the potato
I can
is
stand
fun.
behind potatoes.
The potato is fun, and you have a love affair with
I
potatoes.
do love potatoes. I'm telling you, if I was going to a deserted island, potatoes would be one of the things that I would have to take with me if I got a choice of a vegetable. What would your choice be,
Oh,
friends?
those are cool. Did you see those ice cream cone Sunday
Yeah, those are
bowls?
nice.
Right? Yeah,
I like
they're
those.
just a little bit expensive. So that one had a mark, but I couldn't read the mark because of the sticker. And if you took the sticker off, I have a feeling that the mark sticker would come off as well. So we just kind of left that there for somebody else.
Ooh, I miss that little crock, even though it's newer with the stars
It's
on
a
it.
crocky crock. This was kind of cool. This was actually a Japan piece. So this is a pretty nice little tea set there.
They had a couple little tea sets.
Yeah.
Do you think a lot of people are donating tea sets and
They
stuff
are,
like that?
yes. Well, the thing of it is baby boomers are getting older, and they inherited their parents' collections. And 10 to 15 years ago, even 20 years ago, the market, antiques were super, super expensive. But now there's a ton of glass and all kinds of stuff on the market now, where in the future it'll be worth more. But right now, it's at a good buying point to put away for future use. Because the baby boomers are retiring and they don't want to be bogged down by a bunch of stuff.
No, this is true even on the painting, thrift furniture and flipping side, that people don't want to buy entire sets anymore. They just want an end stand or a dresser, and there used to be, you know, these big houses will be filled with these big furniture sets.
And people don't have those big giant houses anymore.
Nope.
So that bell that I was just holding was actually a lead crystal bell. It was the sound in it was beautiful, right? So if you are in Canton, go get it.
Yeah, right. I like this piece too. Heavier. It's funny, you look at some pieces and you can tell that some are just quality.
Right. That was a quality piece.
Yeah. Oh, look at this pretty
Christmas!
Happy. Welcome Christmas. Don't make me start singing the Christmas song from The Grinch. Remember Little Girl in the Window? What was her name?
Yes, Cindy Lou Who.
Cindy Lou Who, yes. Where are you,
stop it. I thought you were going to break out with what you'd always sing to Riley.
Oh, what? SpongeBob Christmas song?
Yeah, Santa's coming. Yeah.
Santa's coming tonight. Santa's coming
SpongeBob,
tonight.
Isn't it?
Good times.
Yeah.
Good times.
And now he just gets embarrassed when we say stuff like that.
Oh, I like your little
That ladybug, yeah, he was kind of funny.
He was cute.
Yeah.
Memorable.
Yeah.
$3.29. Would you have taken the ladybug home? Maybe somebody out there collects ladybugs.
Yeah, there you go. I could see that.
Yep, ladybug is a big collectible. Oh, we really like this crow right here.
Yeah.
I think there was something below its neck broken off.
Yeah,
or
you
some
see it there.
issue.
It was gluey. It was chipped.
There was something going on there with him. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I shoved my finger in there and going, it's broke!
You thrubbed it.
I thrubbed it. I thrubbed it. That's going to be the new word.
Thrubbed it?
I thrubbed it.
Yeah.
To make sure it
what
was
I'm trying
okay.
to say is you poked its larynx.
Yeah. Thrubbed it. See, these were cool. These were Coco Pele.
We took those home.
Those are
going to be going on eBay.
Those are stone coasters.
Love. Yep. I love the Coco
Coco
Pele's.
Pele on there. Yeah.
Yeah, we've got some artwork.
Gotta be careful with Coco Pele. He's a fertility god, so you don't want too many Coco Peles. If you have,
unless you want to expand your family.
Yeah, exactly.
Then break out the Coco Pele's.
We're a family-oriented show. Stop it.
Listen, I love this piece right here.
Spicy.
Yeah, I love this piece right here. I would have taken it, but it was like it had the gold rim kind of rubbed off on it, and I think there was something else. There was some broken part of it.
Did you thrub it? You're thrubbing it.
Yes.
There you go.
Yeah.
You're thrubbing it.
Yes, but not too hard to break it.
#thrub.
Yep. That just sounds wrong.
It
Oh, I took this piece. I forgot about this. Yes.
Okay.
I got to get these things are still in bags, and so I need to get them all out, clean them up, and take pictures. Yeah. And put them on eBay. But yeah, this was another piece. Love that. Woohoo! We are shopping.
Oh, weirdo.
Oh, the weird. No, those were the ducks.
You like the ducks.
I was looking at the ducks in the back.
Wood ducks.
Anybody know if people buy wooden ducks? I'm starting to see them out and about. Is there does people collect a wooden ducks? I would imagine they would.
My dad used to collect ducks. I used to buy him ducks all the time.
The little guy was cute.
Yeah, Keebler elf.
Is it?
It looks like him. I don't know if it is, so...
I like this coaster here.
I don't know.
It had a crack.
Kinda,
you see it? It had a
like,
crack. There was some tape over it where the crack was.
I wasn't a fan of that one. Oh, this piece was cool.
What'd you find here?
That's that wall hanger.
Love that.
Do you see that?
Yes. Wall pockets.
Well, whatever.
Love it. We're like, yep, Matt picked this.
Yeah.
Boom, throw it in the cart.
I guarantee you, I thrubbed that one. And this, I love this.
We were considering this. Yes, it was in the cart at one point.
Coconut fish. He had a broken tail, but that was no big deal because I wouldn't have got rid of it. I put him in there, and then I was like, no. This is a cool piece. Cigar box purse. Check it. Soft line, padded on the inside.
Love the
got a little pocket.
Inside.
Nice bamboo handle.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep, classy.
Yes, very
definitely
nice.
A fashion piece.
Yes.
So the price was what, $6.50 or something?
$5.99.
Something like that. We took it.
Yeah. So those ones are
Thought
cool.
we'd try to flip that one.
That was a nice Merry Christmas sign. Somebody paid a lot of money for that one.
Which one? The one behind it?
The one that's right there on the bottom.
I didn't even see that. It's funny how your eyes zone in on certain things.
I bet you somebody paid $20 for that somewhere. That was cool, but it was missing an inlay. You can see the hole on the leaf.
Yeah,
it was missing a piece of leaf. But that was a beautiful piece of little black forest art there.
Yep. We're in the wooden section now. I always look for stuff that I can take and that I can paint, give some new life to.
Oh, Matt,
Check that out. We get a box.
What am I going
Oh,
for
what's
here?
this? What's this?
Oh, the colorful wooden pieces. Well, I love that piece that we found at the other Goodwill with all the flowers, the bohemian style one.
Right.
Love that one. So, yeah, anything colorful I'm going to be drawn to.
Oh, birdie birds.
Yep. I think those are souvenirs, right?
Yep.
From Florida?
Puerto Rico and Aruba, isn't it?
Is it? I can't remember.
Right there, Aruba.
Somewhere sunny and gorgeous.
Yes. We should be.
We are supposed to get a snowstorm tonight. Anybody else? Anybody else experiencing the white stuff tonight?
Stop it.
I know, you can't stop it.
Oh.
It's coming. It's coming. Maybe tomorrow on the vlog I'll show you all the white stuff we get.
Shh.
If the weatherman is right. This piece here, would you have taken it home?
That's
Gorgeous
nice
wicker tray, $6.99, quite large, would have been beautiful for a centerpiece. Would you have taken it home? Tell me or not.
I would take the grass home.